Conclusion. If you want power, wealth, knowledge and the truth, carry out the rituals described in this course, and repeat it every night for 6 months, until you are resonantly attuned to the tallest space, and the entity. If you carry this out once and give up, that is fine. It is the universe's way of telling you that you are not ready for this experience in this incarnation. Only a select few non-tantric Aaiyanists are attuned to tallest space, and that they will be able to summon the entity on the first try. But we do know many people around the world who can do this, and are in regular contact with them. If you need help with these rituals, please join the Aaiyyan World Foundation, and become a Patreon subscriber. The links are shown here. If you join, you will gain access to the very powerful weekly Aaiyyan yantras. The Aaiyyan yantra brings resonance with the Aaiyyan tallest space, but amplifies it on a 10-day basis, by attaining resonance with two beings, Chandra, the moon god, and Mata, the demon born from the will of Chayavana. Thus it is made out of two yantras, the ever-changing outer Chandra Mata yantra, and the inner unchanging Aaiyyan Tala yantra. The demon Mata is also known as Akhandeya in Dravidian Aaiyani, and is an extremely powerful entity, so powerful that even Indra had to surrender to its power. So this combined yantra, the Aaiyyan yantra, is incredibly powerful. So in summary, we have presented you the knowledge to transform your life, and the lives of thousands of people around the world. We have made this knowledge public, but the universe will conspire to only give this truth to those whose time has come. Others will dismiss this, ignore it, try it once and forget. And this is Brahman's method to make sure that only deserving individuals are able to link with Aaiyyan and gain this power and knowledge. It takes effort and time, but the rewards are limitless. Take the first step of your journey and you will be rewarded. If you want to learn more about Hindu Aayyanism, please join us on www.aayyan.org. Please also do share this course, so that others can benefit from these teachings. The more people that open up talas and link with these entities, the more humanity will evolve. If you share this course and Aaiyyan becomes linked with more souls, you will be rewarded, not just by Aaiyyan, but by other entities which are needed for humanity to transcend itself, especially Vinayakadantan. You will see and learn firsthand what is meant by the truth. We also invite you to support us on our Patreon site. We are building a community on our Patreon page, so please join us on that. Not only will you help us to spread our message, but you will have access to many powerful yantras created by high Aayyanists. And you will also gain access to books, personal correspondence, mentoring, free teachings, and so much more. The links are shown, so do not hesitate to join us. Finally, thank you for taking this course. Please do share it to uplift humanity to the next level. We wish you well, and hope that you can join us on this journey together.